best time has arrived whenever you enter a restaurant, and that is the food has arrived.
Wow, yes.
Look at that. Welcome to today's video.
So today we are going to check out some epic breakfast. Where are we, Irfan?
We're in Karachi in an area called Bahadrabad, and we're going to Quetta Al Mighar Hotel, which is based on Al Mighar Road. So on Google it came up as a recommendation to have breakfast here, and we've just dropped off by our lovely Uber driver, and everyone's outside here. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. Upstairs, yeah? Upstairs. Okay, so let's go inside the family hall. Thank you.
So in Pakistan we have areas called family hall, which is for if you've got a wife and a kid, it's separately all the men's, which sometimes can be quite intimidating, but it's quite nice when you've got a family hall.
Yeah, so we're just basically walking upstairs now into the family hall area, and you know what? It's nice and quiet. Look at that.
So what we're going to do is we're going to have a look at the menu, and here it is actually. Quetta Al Mighar Hotel.
Alright, so
And
you see.
Cheese paratha.
Oh, aloo paratha. They got loads of things
These are the ones,
actually.
the like swirly ones.
Oh yeah, that's the one. So they got cheese paratha. Oh, they got Nutella paratha.
Ooh.
So, but this is the view here. So you can see it's Al Mighar Road. Actually, you know what? We asked the driver if this is a nice area, and he said actually it's a really good area.
Yeah, it looks like a nice area. You've got a lovely park just across the road over there.
Yeah.
Which, if the weather cools down and it permits, for me and Zakaria and Irfan, we'll take a trip down there.
Yeah.
But for now, I'm going to get one of those parathas, swirly ones, crispiness. A bit indecisive, I'm just thinking it might not fill me up, but we need a nice breakfast to set us up for the day.
I think so, it's quite heavy. And I am actually looking after my figure recently with all the kalai and all that kind of stuff. Food has been quite heavy, so anyway, it is what it is.
Normally the women that I like to look after my body. Body's a temple,
Body's a
whatever.
temple. But anyway, so what we've gone for, just a summary, is we have gone for the signature paratha, right? We've gone for the aloo cheese paratha. Yeah. We've gone for 2 doodh patti, which is the classic Pakistani chai, so 2 of them, right? We've gone for malai because I want to basically dip the naan in the malai and see what it's like. So the paratha in the malai, and we've gone for chana as well.
Yeah, the chana in my belly, and I got a 7-Up for me.
Oh yeah, and a 7-Up. So let's cut back and see what is going on. Right guys, the best time has arrived whenever you enter a restaurant, and that is the food has arrived.
Wow, yes.
Look at that. So that's the aloo cheese paratha, yeah? Cheese paratha. This is the aloo paratha. Aloo cheese paratha. Right. And it looks like we got both. And this is the normal paratha, the chana, malai with sugar, and the tea. Oh yeah, this, and Zakaria's bottle.
And Zakaria.
And we got Zakaria lying down, having a fun time. He's chilling.
Right, I'm going in, guys. I'm going to go in with the special.
So, given there's a light situation facing that way, I'm going to try something. So, let's move this out of the pan. It's very hot. Let's try this.
Signature paratha coming right up.
The roundy.
Oh yeah, nice. Going in straight in with it.
Oh yeah.
What does it taste like?
It's got a little bit of a sweet hint to it, you know.
Is it like an almond bakewell?
It does have a bit of a croissant-y taste. They're nice. That is good. That is very good actually.
Try the aloo paratha, cheese paratha there.
Right, let's try the cheese paratha next. Bismillah.
Right, you had quite a few cheese parathas.
Bismillah.
Is that the best one you've ever had?
Oh, that's better than the one we had in Islamabad. I'll say that for sure. Definitely a good contender. Right, let's put it in a bit of this sauce.
Lovely. Yeah.
That's a good cheese paratha.
Right, let me try.
Nice and crispy.
Right guys, I am going in with the cheese paratha first of all, guys. Let's have a look, shall we? So many paratha than this one. It looks nice and crispy and textured. I think it's got a good feeling about this. Oh my god. That's like a cheese toasty. Really good. Crispy cheese toasty, isn't it?
Yep. Very good crispy cheese toast.
That is so good. Yeah.
Our waiter is patiently there, waiting for us to see our review, and I think he's happy.
You can tell when I like something.
I think we've done so many food reviews in Karachi now, everyone knows. I think you probably noticed in Karachi, you've seen a lot of food videos. That's because in Karachi there's so many food places, and you know what, it is just a foodie heaven. And so I think if you've been watching all of our videos and our reactions, you will know Nadia's face when she likes something, right? Yeah?
I'm going in with this one now. It looks very similar to the cheese paratha without the cheese, so let's
So it's
try
the
that.
crispy one, yeah?
Wow. That's delicious. Let's try it with the tuna now. Yeah.
Oh yeah, look at that. Good, innit?
That's good, man.
That's good, man.
Yeah. Right. Go on then.
So next thing on the menu is the aloo cheese paratha, and you can see cheese, aloo, all the lovely goodness inside this thing.
I'm excited for you to try this one. And the shoulders went down there. Is that good, man?
That is good.
Yeah.
That's got like a char kick to it.
Try the
It is
cheese.
good. Mashallah, very good.
Yeah. And the tea?
Let's see your reaction.
Oh yeah.
Got a nice char kick to it, hasn't it?
If this was here, I should be loving this.
Yeah. Nice, nice, nice. Right, you know what I'm going to do? One thing that I've not done is,
Dip the tea. Dip that in the tea.
now I'm going to try the malai. So you got a bit of paratha. This is malai. So it's basically the cream on the top, clotted cream with sugar. So I'm going to try it. What you do is you mix it up. Oh, look at, yeah, that is what you call proper cream. Look at that, right?
I'm scared to try that. I'm not as hard as corn as that time.
Cream,
what is that?
sugar. That is nice. That is, for me, I love my sweet stuff. It's definitely 10 out of 10. Look at that cream on the top and all that sugar. Lovely.
That was the best. The crispiness, the texture, the cheese just melted right in your mouth. Better than the one that we had in Islamabad. I would say so far this is the best cheese parathas that I've ever had in Pakistan so far. Therefore, what do you think?
I'd give it a solid 8.5 out of 10.
8.5. What was missing?
It's a paratha, it is, so I don't usually eat parathas. It's not my go-to dish. So yeah, I'll definitely give it 8.5 out of 10. The total is 670 rupees in total for all that food. So actually, it's not too bad, which equates to £2.80.
That is alright. £2.
For a full-on breakfast.
How much was the cheese paratha on its own?
Like 70. That, guys, is bargain. Shukriya, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
For that. This is one of the best paratha I had.
Very, very delicious paratha.
One of the best.
Tea was nice. Tea was nice. The paratha
Tea was alright, but the paratha was the best.
The parathas were the best that we've had in Pakistan so far. Right, guys, so that was one of the
Best. That was one of the best actually.
one of the, or if not the best paratha, right, that we've had.
It was one of the best. Just like the texture, the crispiness of it, the cheese melted in your mouth. Honestly, it was better than a cheese toasty. And if you know me, I always like a good old cheese toasty for breakfast.
You can't go wrong with that. I like the malai. It was really, really good. It reminded me of kheer. That's how creamy it was. Rice pudding dessert that we have. But
Yeah.
anyway,
Anyway,
the total bill was, like we said, 670 rupees, which is banging,
And for one paratha, it's less than 30p.
which
so
is not too bad.
it's like probably what, 50 cents in dollars. So guys, we're gonna end the video here.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
And if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. And hit that like button.
Press that bell button so that you're notified when we upload our next video.
Follow your visions, and we'll see you guys in the next one.
We'll see you in the next one.
Peace out.
Oh, nice
Woo.
flowers.